I'm going to bake chocolate cupcakes. Hi, I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today I'm going to bake cupcakes, chocolate cupcakes. For this, all I need is all-purpose flour, Maida, powdered sugar, cocoa, baking powder, milk, oil, 2 eggs and vanilla essence. In this, mix all the wet ingredients and one in a bowl and dry ingredients in another bowl, and mix both together, pour it into the cups and bake it. Vanilla essence, next goes milk, then the oil. In another bowl with Maida, I shall add sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, now I shall sieve this. Sieving is most important as it aerates the all-purpose flour. Now I am going to mix both dry and the wet ingredients. Make sure that there are no lumps and the batter is uniformly mixed. This has to be poured into the cups to bake. This can be piped, put it into a piping bag and piped, or even you can scoop. Now I am going to bake this at 180 degrees centigrade for 15 to 17 minutes. Now that my cake is baked and cooled, we can eat as it is, but I would like to take some buttercream on it. So I shall just